ladies, so today's little video is all about our python print top, which I actually wore on Sunday styling this week, but unfortunately we had a quick pre-video and didn't tuck it in properly, so it looked absolutely awful on the video all the way through. I want you to see it when it's on a body properly. So I'm just turning to the side. It has a little bit of elastication at the bottom, which helps it ruche up over the tummy. Gorgeous, gorgeous colours, extremely flattering. I'm in an XL, which is the equivalent to a 16 and would be my usual size. We have this gorgeous top, which is £69, available in small, medium, large and double XL. Oh, actually, no, I'm in a large, which is the equivalent to a 14. So there you are. I've squeezed into one size down. Anyway, I hope you're having a lovely day, ladies, and we will catch up with you soon.